Mirrorless cameras have revolutionized the world of photography, giving photographers a lightweight and compact alternative to bulky DSLRs. If you're tired of lugging around heavy equipment but still want professional quality shots, then it's time to consider investing in a mirrorless camera. These little powerhouses offer all the features and capabilities of their larger counterparts, but with the added bonus of being portable and easy to use. Let's take a look at some of the best mirrorless cameras on the market today. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website, consumerpicked.com. Like this video, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. Canon EOS R50, our pick for best budget mirrorless camera. The Canon EOS R50 is a game changer in the world of mirrorless cameras. With its compact and lightweight design, it's perfect for vloggers and content creators on the go. But don't let its size fool you. This camera is packed with features that rival even its larger counterparts. One standout feature of the EOS R50 is its 24.2 megapixel CMOS sensor and Digic X processor. This combination delivers stunning image quality and sharpness so your photos will always look professional. Plus, with its ability to shoot 4K video at up to 30 frames per second, you can capture your vlogs and videos in breathtaking detail. But what really sets the EOS R50 apart is its subject detection and tracking capabilities. Thanks to its deep learning technology, the camera can detect and track people, animals, and vehicles with ease. This means you'll always have sharp and in-focus subjects, even if they're moving around. Another feature that makes the EOS R50 the best budget mirrorless camera is its advanced shooting modes. With its 12 FPS continuous shooting with electronic first curtain and 15 FPS with electronic shutter, you'll never miss a moment. Plus, the built-in flash allows for shooting in dark environments or with backlit scenes. Number 4. Fujifilm XS10, our pick for best mirrorless camera for beginner. The Fujifilm XS10 is a game changer in the world of mirrorless cameras. Designed with the beginner in mind, it combines ease of use with incredible image quality, making it the perfect camera for budding photographers looking to step up their game. One of the standout features of the XS10 is its ergonomic design. The deep hand grip provides a comfortable and secure hold, making it a joy to shoot with. Plus, the intuitive controls ensure that even those new to Fujifilm cameras can effortlessly navigate the settings and capture stunning images. But what really sets the XS10 apart is its powerful image-making technology. The X-Trans CMOS 4 sensor and X Processor 4 combination deliver impressive image quality, with a wide dynamic range and sharp details. And with the ability to shoot at up to 20 frames per second, you can capture fast-moving subjects with ease. For those who love shooting video, the XS10 doesn't disappoint. It records in cinema-quality DCI 4K 30p and offers super slow motion Full HD 240p. And with the 5-axis in-body image stabilization, your footage will be buttery smooth, even when shooting handheld. Its user-friendly design, exceptional image quality, and powerful video capabilities make it a standout choice for those looking to take their photography to the next level. Still searching for the perfect mirrorless camera? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. Nikon Z62, our pick for best Nikon mirrorless camera. The Nikon Z62 is the latest offering from Nikon's lineup of mirrorless cameras. With its impressive features and performance upgrades, it's no wonder why it has earned the title of the best Nikon mirrorless camera. First and foremost, let's talk about autofocus. The Z62 takes a huge leap forward in this department, particularly with its animal eye and face detection. Whether you're photographing your beloved pet or trying to capture wildlife in its natural habitat, this camera will ensure that your subjects are in perfect focus. But that's not all. The addition of a second Speed 6 processor brings a range of performance improvements, including a lightning-fast 14 frame per second burst shooting speed. And let's not forget about the video capabilities. While it may not be at the top of the pack compared to hybrid rivals like the Sony A7 IV, the Z62 still delivers exceptional video quality. With its tried and tested 24MP full-frame BSI CMOS sensor, you can expect excellent high ISO performance and stunning image quality in your videos. Number 2. Panasonic LUMIX GH6, our pick for best mirrorless camera for video. The Panasonic LUMIX GH6 is a game changer in the world of mirrorless cameras, especially when it comes to video. With its impressive 25.2 megapixel sensor and Venus engine, this camera has higher resolution and bit rates than ever before, ensuring breathtaking image quality, whether you're shooting in 7K at 60p or 4K at 120p. The GH6 delivers stunningly crisp footage with 10-bit color depth. And the best part? There's no time limit on your recordings, so you can capture those truly epic moments without interruption. But it's not just about the resolution and frame rates. The GH6 takes image stabilization to a whole new level with its 5-axis dual IS2 system. You'll be amazed at how stable your footage is, even in low-light conditions. And if you're into slow motion, you'll love the full HD high frame rate video capability at 300 fps. It's like having your own personal time machine. What sets the GH6 apart from its competitors is its ability to record in Apple ProRes 422HQ and 422. This means you get high image quality with minimal compression, resulting in true-to-life colors and stunning dynamic range. With its unrivaled image quality, advanced stabilization, and impressive recording options, it's a must-have for any serious videographer. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Sony Alpha 7 IV, our pick for best mirrorless camera overall. Are you ready for a camera that will take your photography and videography to the next level? Look no further than the Sony Alpha 7 IV. What makes the Sony Alpha 7 IV so impressive? Well, first off, it boasts a whopping 33 megapixel sensor that captures an incredible level of detail. Say goodbye to those grainy, lackluster images and hello to sharpness and clarity like you've never seen before. But that's not all. The autofocus system on this bad boy is top-notch. It tracks subjects with precision and accuracy, ensuring that you never miss the perfect shot. And with in-body image stabilization, shaky hands are no longer a problem. Your images will be steady and smooth, even in challenging conditions. One of the standout features of the Sony Alpha 7 IV is its video capabilities. It records in 4K at up to 60 FPS, delivering stunning visuals that will impress even the most discerning videographer. And with internal 10-bit 4:2 capture, your colors will be rich and vibrant. Now, I know what you're thinking. What about the competition? Well, the Canon EOS R6 Mark II is a worthy contender. But the Sony Alpha 7 IV edges it out in a few key areas. With a wider lens selection and native and third-party options at various price points, the Sony simply has more versatility. That's a wrap. We hope you had a blast going through our list of best mirrorless cameras. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which mirrorless camera you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.